Hey guys, it's Sherika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Sunday. Y'all let me know if you guys enjoyed the Sunday uploads. I tried to switch my schedule around a little bit, so this is actually the second week. I'm trying to spend some time with the family on the weekend, so I've been really enjoying the Sunday uploads, so y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I am SHERIKAB right here. I did go to At Home on yesterday, Saturday, so I could show you guys some of the restoration hardware dupes that I came across.
Look at these. These are $55. I might get this.
I wanted to go in there to see if I could find a vase because my order came in. This is the STALKS from CB2. I ordered these a while ago and they just came in on yesterday and I love them so much. I think they look so good next to my pictures here. Love them. And then you know, when I get my couch, everything's gonna look good. Now the vase that I originally wanted to put it in, it really didn't look right in that tall vase, so I just kept it in this one. I got that vase from HomeGoods. I've been trying to decide on whether I wanted to spray paint that vase. I probably will end up spray painting it, but for right now, I'll just leave it in that vase. But it looks so cute right here, y'all. I am in love. And I also picked up the Marite curtains. I did get the 118, so thank you guys that suggested the 118s instead of the 98s. So the 118, they fit. I need to return a few things that I picked up, so let me show you guys what I picked up. So I picked up these two pictures right here, but I'm gonna return them because they have a few stains behind the glass, and I know you guys probably can't see it, but it's aggravating me, so I'm gonna go ahead and return these. But the pictures are so pretty, so I was pretty sad about that. I paid $59.99, so I'm gonna go ahead and return those. Then I found this really cute little horse. So I picked this up and I paid $24.99 for this one. We're gonna go ahead and return those items to the store, and then maybe he'll take me to HomeGoods because I haven't been to HomeGoods all weekend, so maybe he'll take me. We'll see. So let's go. We're gonna see if they have anything new, but it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like they have anything new in here, so colors, but this is so pretty. All right, y'all, they didn't have anything in there, but I am a little late because it's like 12 o'clock, so they didn't have any cute home decor. They had some cute furniture in there, though. So this is the Home Goods on Jack's Beach. Look at my boo. We're in Target. Yeah, this is the foundation that I wear. I always get a lot of questions about it, and I like to use truffle. So this is the shelf that you guys have been telling me about, but this one is like almost double the price compared to the one in IKEA, and this one isn't as tall, but I like this one though. This one is nice. This is the same one that Kiva has. So cute. Look at these. These are so cool. That's cute. Only $39. Oh, I like these too. Very cute. $34. They got some cute lamps in Target, y'all. Yeah, look at this one. This one is so cute. I see a lamp similar to this one all the time in Home Goods. $41.
Is this extra wide? Yep.
This one looks cool.
Extra wide.
All right, y'all, so we're back home. I'm not too sure if you guys could hear me through my mask when I was at there's the thunder. When I was at Home Goods, I told you guys that they didn't really have that much home decor in there, so I didn't even bother showing you guys any of that because it was all the same. But they did have some nice furniture in there, and they did have some pretty cute pictures and stuff. But I want to show you guys the lamp that I told you guys that I picked up from IKEA. I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'll show you the chairs and my new dining room setup that I have so far. So here's the lamp. I'm going to back up a little bit, and I just have to tighten up the cord, but it looks really nice up here. I like it. I need to clean my TV because we was moving it around, but this is how it looks. Really nice. And I still have to get a light bulb. And what I had to do was sit the couch on top of the lamp because it didn't slide up under the couch like I wanted it to. But it still looks pretty cute. And then we did drill holes in the wall for the cords. So he did one, where is it? Down there, if y'all could see that one right there, and then this one. And when he went in to drop the cord right here, there's a big piece of wood right here that's blocked off. So we're back at square one with that. Here's the black chairs. I think it looks really nice against that wood. And these are just some old chairs that I had that I actually forgot I had. The legs were silver, and I spray painted them black, and I really like the way that it turned out. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen it already, but they look really nice. And then here's the pictures. hopefully you guys, let me move over here so you guys can see. So yeah, those are the pictures that I decided to go with. They look really nice. So now I just have to figure out if I want to do a plant in this corner, lamps, if I want to get like a little table behind there to set something on. I'll figure it out, and then my little plant or whatever that I'm gonna put in the middle of the table. But yeah, I really think it turned out pretty cute, so love that. Tony's getting ready to put up the curtains, so this is his ladder. All right, y'all, so here's the curtains, and they look so good up here. So this will definitely help me with my lighting, with my videos. But again, I got the 118. Oh, there goes my steamer. So I just need to steam the curtains and I should be good to go. I was thinking about getting one extra pack. So, but yeah, I like the way they turned out. And this is the reflection on the pictures. You can still see it, but it's not as bright, you know, so we're gonna work that out. But yeah, okay, so we picked up a few things from Walmart. I'll be trying a new wine tonight. I've started a new thing on my Instagram where I try a new wine on Sundays. So this is a Chardonnay. Y'all let me know if you've tried this one before, but I'll be trying it tonight and let you guys know if I like it or not. And then I just picked up some grenadine, some blue curacao, and Tony wanted to try this new tequila blanco, Espolón. Is this Espolón tequila blanco? Y'all let me know, child. I don't know, I probably butchered that name. Y'all let us know in the comments if you tried this tequila before, because Tony will be trying that out tonight. But yeah, these are the mixers that I use to get the different colors and stuff. I know a lot of people ask. So Cocktail Artist, you can get it at Walmart for I think about $4. So yeah, pretty reasonable. But I'm excited to try this new wine. And I think this bottle, I got this bottle from Walmart, and I think it was about 11 bucks. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. I am SHERIKAB. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love y'all.